Good afternoon from Six Flags over Georgia, here to check out the construction of the Kid Flash coaster and see if any progress was made on the new 2024 recently announced surf coaster. It is really hot here in the parking lot. It is 99 degrees right now. We'll start out the video with the pieces of the Kid Flash coaster that are just sitting out here in the parking lot. Looks like quite a bit must be inside because there's not a lot of pieces sitting out here. So let's head inside and check out what's going on. Park's getting ready for their new Boo by Day Kids Boo Fest that complements the Frights by Night Fright Fest. So more to come. Check out the channel in a couple weeks here when we cover those events. First, let's head up over towards the Kid Flash, so I guess up and then down to the Kid Flash construction site. Just outside Georgia, Scorchville Park has this new totally twisted pretzel stand. Focuses on pretzels and freshly squeezed lemonade. Sounds like some pretty good flavors there too. Nice ad. As we come into Gotham, you can see the crushers through the trees right there. Looks like quite a bit of track work is done. See the start of the ride there. In person, it's definitely not as big as you think it would be. But it is a kid's coaster after all, right?
We have already seen expansion at Lickskillet and Cotton States. Y'all guests are still begging for more. So that season came the addition of Jolly Roger's Island and its signature ride, the Flying Dutch. That pirate theme stuck around until 1997, when those dastardly swashbucklers were blasted out of the sea.
Here's the full details, kind of teasing the coaster coming. Got these fun surfboards with the specs on them and stuff. 60 mile per hour max speed. What's interesting, and we were also talking about this on the podcast, is the splash zone, you might not actually get wet. It might be like cannons that shoot water towards you. You'll probably get wet, but it's not like the water's required to run the ride, which made us wonder on the podcast, like, is this something that could run year round if they just turn down the water right into summer when it's 50 degrees out, but you don't really get wet. It's more of a Manta style water effect or a Diamondback style water effect. So probably assume if this is here, this might be where the entrance is. This is where the entrance was for the former Shoot the Chutes ride. Not a lot of progress or a lot of heavy equipment here for the 2024 coaster. Being a fairly simple install. Don't think it'll take super long. But questions to ask yourself. I'm sure at some point the mine train will have to shut down for construction. I'm sure at some point the Joker coaster here might have to shut down altogether or for construction, because there's not going to be a lot of room here to add like queue, station, lockers, all that stuff. So it'll be interesting to see how this whole area looks different in a year's time. And that will wrap up our quick, very, very, very hot visit to Six Flags over Georgia. Shameless plug, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Not only will we be bringing you more videos when it's cooler out, but it's rare that a park's actually building technically three coasters at the same time. So then you have to factor in there's a new Oktoberfest event coming. You got all kinds of events coming. We'll be having updates quite a bit on the channel of this fantastic Atlanta area theme park. Thanks for watching, everyone.